Let's learn how to make a cappuccino. Begin by brewing a shot of espresso. Dispense the espresso grounds from the grinder into a portafilter. Then use the tamper to press the grounds into a firm puck. Secure the portafilter into place on the espresso machine, then place your cup under the portafilter. Select your brew size to begin brewing. While the espresso brews, froth the milk. Pour about 4 ounces of milk into a chilled frothing pitcher. Lift the pitcher under the frothing wand at an angle and submerge the wand into the milk before turning it on. Turn on the frothing wand and gently move the pitcher to help aerate the milk and create a beautiful froth. Now it's time to assemble the cappuccino. Using a spoon to hold the froth back, slowly pour the steamed milk into the brewed espresso. Remove the spoon to allow the foam to top off the cappuccino. Congratulations! You've just made a cappuccino.